Good morning, everyone. It's July 25th, and on a hot summer here in Phoenix, Arizona, it's 6:30 a.m. Just out for my bike ride. Just thought I'd stop here and show you the massive satellite dish network that belongs to Dish Network. They have lots of them on their property. It's just amazing that they have so many. And this is just a small portion of it that I'm showing on their property. Quite a lot of them. Anyway, have a nice Taco Tuesday. Stay cool, and we'll see you on YouTube. Take care. Bye.